Hey everybody, it's Sal Governale from Big Meals, Small Places. We're still locked away in quarantine, which means we're breaking the rules. No need for a toaster oven. Today's dish is chicken piccata. So good with zesty lemon and chicken broth, and really, really easy to make. So check out the video and be safe. Wear your mask and subscribe for more great recipes.
If there's ever been a guy on a mission, it's me, comedian and cooking fanatic, Sal Governale. Each week I travel around with just my toaster oven, showing people how to make big meals in small places.
Delicious chicken piccata. First, take a simple chicken breast, pound it with saran wrap on top, add salt and pepper, dredge it in some light flour with salt and pepper, and then you're going to saute it in a pan, high heat, with olive oil and 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 minutes each side. Then deglaze it with about 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Scrape up the bits, add another cup of the chicken broth. From that point, 1 squeeze of lemon and 1/4 cup of capers. Let that simmer for a good minute. And once that simmers, your chicken will be on standby waiting for the sauce. Then I add a cup of marinated artichokes that have been drained from the juice. Then some fresh parsley. Let that simmer for an additional minute or 2. Slow and low, light simmer, beautiful. Then I add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and water, mix it up, throw it in, thicken the sauce. Keep mixing it till it's thick, and once it's thick, take that chicken breast and add it back to the thick sauce with the capers, with the parsley. Oh, so beautiful. And that's it, you're done. Beautiful chicken piccata. Serve it over rice or serve it over your favorite pasta with that sauce, and it's amazing. Let me wash my hands. I hate when people cough in their hands. See this? Look, soap and water. I hate when people cough in their hands and then they go back to the food. That really grosses me out. Got some fresh parsley. Now when you get parsley, here's the key, folks. When you get that parsley, take the stems off. Just pick it at the stem so you get a nice leaf, because nobody wants to eat that disgusting, hard stem